It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,